Hello and welcome to Cocafina channel. My name is Gintare. Now, I personally have never tried removing nail polish stains because I have my own method of fixing that problem. So the method 1 is recommended to use baking soda and white vinegar, which I immediately thought might be a little bit dangerous, so I went ahead and googled it, and the internet does not recommend doing that. Second method is try to use rubbing alcohol. I have isopropyl alcohol from Kryolan that I bought a really long time ago, so I hope it's not expired or something. If alcohol can be expired.
15 minutes later.
It already takes too long, so why bother with this method? Method number 3, nail polish remover. There we go.
20 minutes later.
Well, I can see the stain removing in approximately 10 years. Another method we can do is dish soap. Be patient, it might take a few minutes for the dish soap to work its magic. I'm doing this for 4 or 5 minutes and it's not budging at all. Now let's try my method, which is very easy, very simple, and it's very fun to do, and I would highly recommend doing that if you ever get stains on your clothes. So the whole idea is, if you stain your shirt, you just splatter even more nail polish in various colors so that it looks natural, as if you've done that on purpose. So first of all, I would recommend for you to choose some nail polishes that you don't really use, because if you are not gonna like the result, at least you will not waste the nail polish you love. Also, I would recommend using nail polish without any glitter or flakies, because that will wash off. In this case, I chose 3 nail polishes. 2 of them I very use and dearly love, but I just don't really have a lot of nail polishes that I don't use. It's from The Ashes, Poison Ivy, and Into the Abyss from the Mooncat. So this is what we have. So a couple of cons to this hack is that it is actually quite messy, so I would recommend doing it outside with your bad clothes on. Also, I would recommend doing it outside because of the smell. But yeah, all in all, it is really fun to do. It's quite therapeutic actually. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!
Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boy, your luck with the cold